In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create group chat on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at messages icon to get into your conversations. Then tap at that icon. And then just search for a contact you would like to add to your group chat. I'm just gonna search for contacts in that way. And then I can add some users simply by checkmarking them. After that, we can name our group conversation, and all we have to do now in order to create a group is just tap at that button. After that, we'll be taken to our group conversation, and then we can start messaging. That's how you can easily create a group in Instagram.